how to delete recent call history on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, open up the phone app, then tap on Recents. Now go down the list here and then touch and hold onto the call history record that you want to delete. So here I've got this one, touch and hold onto that. It will select that call. And from here, tap on delete, then tap on delete again to delete that call history. You can also select multiple record to delete. So here I can touch and hold on one of the items. Then I can go down and select more items to delete. After that, tap on the delete button and then tap on delete. You can also tap on the more button at the top, then tap on delete. From here, you can select the call entry that you want to remove, then tap on delete, then tap on delete. So again, there are multiple ways how you can perform the same thing by deleting phone call history. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.